In this video, we are going to go through the steps of how to use the multiple code upload feature. When you first log into your AdID account, you will be brought to the dashboard. To do the multiple code upload, you'll have to navigate to the menu on the left-hand side, click Upload AdID Codes. That will bring you to this page that has the available templates for the multiple code upload. You can use video, audio, print media, display creative, or out-of-home display templates. For this video, I will be using video media. When you click on it, you will be brought to a download of a spreadsheet. For this spreadsheet, you are going to need various pieces of information. You're going to need the group ID, the prefix, and account ID. This can easily be located in one spot. When you go back to the system, click on Groups on the left-hand side and locate the group that you will be creating codes for. When you click on it, you will be brought to this summary page. Here you can see the group ID is located under the group information. You can take this information back to your spreadsheet and put it there. Next, you will need to put in the prefix. I'm going to be using the YPER prefix. Next, you will need your account ID. This information can be found here under Accounts in your summary page. And this information here is only needed if you have a custom 4 or a custom 7. Every other field here is only required if it has a red asterisk, but this one is only required if my prefix is a custom 4 or custom 7. Since YPER is the standard 4-digit prefix, I do not need to enter any information here. The media type will be auto-populated to video since I chose the video template. Next, you'll need to select the medium. This is a drop-down list. Most of our clients choose to leave video all selected as it makes sure that all of these are encompassed. But if you would like to pick from this specific detailed list, you are welcome to do so. Next, for the definitions, you will need to select from the drop-down. Even if you do not require that specific definition, you still need to select yes or no. So I do not need an SD, I do need an HD, and I do not need a 3D. Next, you'll select the code record type. This is original or derivative. Original is if this is the first slate that is being created for this specific creative. Derivative can be used if you have the same creative, however, there's a difference, for example, in language. You have the original in English and you have a Spanish version. For the Spanish version, you can click derivative and then enter the original code here. Most of our clients leave original as the code record type and then show any differences in the ad title that we will go through in just a minute. Next, you will need to select the parent, advertiser, brand, and product. This information can also be found in the AdID system. When you go back to your account, a quick tip that I like to do to find all this information in one place is to go to the slate as if I was going to create a code. So go to Create AdID Code, click on the group, select the prefix and the account, and scroll down. You will not need to fill in any information. We're just using this to get the information needed. So here I can see that the parent is Perfume Club Inc. So I can take that information back here. The advertiser will also be listed. The brand I will also need to enter. If the brand is not grayed out and there is nothing in your drop down, you can just choose, you can just type in other. As I will be doing, since this prefix is not tied to this specific product, I will just select other as my product. Next, you'll need to enter the ad title. There is a 128 character max in the ad title field. So if your title is longer than that, you will need to abbreviate in order to fit those parameters. Next, you'll choose the length in seconds. Next, you will select the language. This is a drop-down that you can choose from. Next, you will need the agency name, and this information is also found in the slate. So if you scroll down, you'll see the agency name here, and you can copy And the agency role is also located there. You'll see that it is creative. All of the other information is optional. You do not need to enter it in order to create your code. You do have all these optional fields. You can mark whether the code is closed captioned. You can choose the AFD, the audio, all of that information if you would like. Once you have verified that all of the information on your spreadsheet is as you would like to upload it, you will save your document as a CSV file. Click File, Save As, and you'll choose comma delimited from this list. Typically, it'll be saved as an Excel workbook. However, in order to upload it, you will need to choose comma delimited. Click Save. And then you'll go back to the Add ID system, click Upload Add ID codes, choose your template, choose your file, and then click Validate Codes. This will let you know that the codes are valid. It'll also give you a summary of what is being charged against your account, and you'll click Submit Purchase. You'll see that $45 were taken since I created one code, and you'll see your code listed here with the information that you put in the spreadsheet. If you have any other questions about how to use the multiple code upload feature, please feel free to reach out to us at cs@add-id.org.